Welcome to CabiAI. In this video, we'll build a single product made of several modules, arrange them in levels, and see how to edit each module with a double click from any view. We start as always. Here you set the overall dimensions of the product, depth, width, and height. You can type exactly what you want, or simply continue and set the sizes manually later, as we'll do now. The template library opens, full of ready-made products, including ones built from several units. If one of them fits, that's the fastest shortcut. But when you want something custom, you assemble it yourself. You click Add Unit. The type picker opens. Tall cabinet, drawers, or cabinet. The three modules every product is built from. We'll start with a cabinet. The unit drops into the workspace, and its edit window opens right away. We give it a width of its own, 400 millimeters instead of 600. Scroll down and there's plenty more to fine-tune. Take the back mounting. It can sit inside or behind, and that's the option we'll pick, CabiAI behind the back. Everything you set here belongs to this unit alone, and we save. And to come back to it later, a double click on the unit brings back that very same window. We switch to one door instead of two, save, and the unit updates. Now we carry on the same way. Add unit, and this time drawers. We give them a width of 800 millimeters, leave the rest of the settings, and save. Then add unit again, and another cabinet, narrower this time, 400, with one door and one shelf, and its back behind as well. And the fourth unit will be an open box. Add unit, cabinet, and we widen it to 1000 millimeters. By the way, if you type a size that's too small, the system warns you right away. Here too, the back sits behind, and then we zero it out. 0 doors, 0 shelves, leaving a fully open compartment. We save. It enters fourth in the row. And now the magic. You simply drag it upward, and the moment it sits above the rest, it's no longer part of the row. The system arranges the product in levels. We open it again with a double click, stretch it to 1600 wide and 1000 tall, and save. From here, arranging is just dragging. You move the top unit left and right and swap the lower ones around until the front sits exactly the way you wanted. The system realigns them every time. And even once the product is built, every unit stays open for editing. A double click on the drawers opens their window with all the unit settings, the hardware, the fronts, the materials, and the dimensions. Here, we'll make just one change, 4 fronts instead of 3. The rest of the product doesn't move. You switch between the views with a single click. In top view, you see the product from above, and only here do the level buttons appear. You click the eye of the upper level, and it disappears. Only the 3 lower units remain. Click again, and it comes back. And when you click 3D, the system first asks to generate a layout. You confirm, and get the sheet layout, 6 sheets at 61% efficiency. And right after, the product opens in space, and you can spin around it from every angle. And here too, right inside the 3D itself, a double click on a unit opens its edit window. We change the depth to 400, save, and the model updates before your eyes. One product, several modules, arranged in levels, and every unit edited with a double click from any view. Try it yourself at CabiAI.net.